Good morning, students. So last class we discussed one of the problem called as binary search. In the same manner, second problem we need to discuss, that is binary search. For the following sequence we need to apply. So in question they are given, apply the binary search for the following sequence, that is 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. What we discussed last class, same problem, but here we need to find the what is the position of the 55. Last problem we discussed, that is position of 35. Now we need to search the position called as 55. How to search, we'll see now. So what is this is called as array sequence. These are all we call as what? Positions. From 0 to 8 we have positions and elements called as 10, 20. They are given this particular sequence. Remember, binary search, if you want to apply, the element must be in sequence order, means lower to upper bound we need to represent. That is order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ linear search ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Now searching element is 55 and position we need to find out that particular a of m where the 55 is located. Now first we need to search beginning element is less than ending element. See, beginning element is 10 and ending element is what? 60. That condition is true. That means beginning is less than ending is true. Step 1, beginning is less than ending. Okay, beginning is less than ending. Now what is the b value? Position 0 and e is equal to 8. M is equal to beginning plus ending divided by 2. Now what is the b value? 0 plus 8. These are the whenever we need to consider that positions we need to apply the here. Okay, in p ಮತ್ತು e place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು positions values ನ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು instead of elements. Now 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Now m is equal to what? 4. Middle element position ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತೆ? 4. That is a of 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು? 40 ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ. This is called as middle element. Okay, middle element, that is. Now this is called as m position. So left side we have m minus 1 and right side we have m plus 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು one condition we have, if element is equal to a of m, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 55 is equal to 40. ನೋ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ a of m, this is the second condition we have in a binary search algorithm. That is 55 is less than a of m. That is a of m means what is the value? 40. Is it true? 55 not 40ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? No. Now if condition is true, in that time e is equal to m minus 1. ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? e is equal to m minus 1. that is e is equal to m minus 1. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟು 35 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಂಡಿಂಗು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ? 4. ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ? 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾವು? 5. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 5 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು beginning is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 5. it will be changed. now ending change ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? no, it is not changed because searching element is located above the middle element, right side of the middle element. That's what we need to go for. plus 1. here 8 is there. now again same process. m is equal to 5 plus 8 divided by 2. 5 plus 8 divided by 2. what is the value? 13. 13 divided by 2. what is the value now? to 6 the 12.6.5 will get 6.5. if we get 6.5, we need to consider what? 6 position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು? what is the middle element position? a of 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತೆ? a of 6, what is the value? 50. now a of 6 is equal to 50. a of 6 is equal to what? 50. Now condition we need to apply. If element is equal to a of m, element is equal to a of m, element is equal to a of m, that is element is what? 55 is equal to 40. No, this condition is also false. Then we go for second condition. If element is less than a of m, element is less than a of m. What is the element? 55 is less than 50, sorry, less than less than 50, here 50, less than 50. No, this is also wrong. Again we need to change the same condition. Beginning we need to replace, because less is now searching element to middle element ಗಿನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್? ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 6 plus 1. Now beginning is equal to 7. Again we need to search the same. Step 3, beginning is equal to 7 and ending is equal to, it is not changed, 8. Now m is equal to 7 plus beginning plus ending, that is 7 plus 8 divided by 2. 7 plus 8 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. Now not 17, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 4, 13 plus 2, 15 divided by 8, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 divided by 2. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 divided by 2. What is the value 15 by 2? 2 sevens are what? 7 are 14.5. So 0.5 ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? 7 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. m is equal to 7. m is equal to 7 we need to consider. Now beginning is equal to what? So 7th position, what is the value 7th position we have? What is the 7th position value? Now see, what is the 7th position value? 55. A of m is equal to what? A of 7 is equal to 55. That means searching element will be located at the A of m. Now we need to apply condition called as if element is equal to A of m, element is equal to A of m. What is the value in element? 55 is equal to 55. Yes, this condition is true. This condition is true. That means, that is 55 is located. 55 is located at position called A of 7. This is the how we need to process the search. We need to process the binary search for the following sequence. Now see once again, this is the array they are given. In that we need to search the element called as 55, where it will be located by the help of binary search. What is the searching element they are given? 55, and we need to find the location of 55. Step 1, first we need to check the beginning is less than ending. ಅಂದರೆ 50 ಅದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್. Now beginning position is 0, ending position is 8. We need to apply the formula called middle element is equal to integer of beginning plus ending divided by 2. What is the beginning value? 0 plus ending value is, ending position is 8 divided by 2. 8 by 2, 4. It will be A of 4 is equal to, what is the middle element position in the following sequence? M is the middle element, 40 is the element we located in the middle position. If we go for left side, we need to identify m minus 1. If we go for right side, we need to start from m plus 1. Now if first condition, if element is equal to A of m, that is 55 element searching element, and middle element will get the middle element is 40. Now both are equal? No. That's what we need to go for second condition. If element is less than A of m, that is 55 is less than 40? No. So again we need to go for E is equal to m minus 1 if condition is true. ಈ condition true ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. E is equal to m minus 1. If condition is false, now see 55 is not less than 40. Because of that, it is the else statement. When we go for else statement, B is equal to m plus 1. Now what is the m value? 4 plus 1, this is equal to 5. Now second step, b is equal to what? 5. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 5 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ e is equal to 8. m is equal to 5 plus 8 divided by 2, that is 13 by 2. We get this 6.5. If we get 6.5, we need to consider as a 6. If we go for 6.6, in that time we need to consider 7. Now a of 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 50 ಐತೆ. 55 is, again we need to check the condition. If 55 is equal to 50, no, that's what we need to go for second condition. If element 55 is less than 50, no, that is also false. Again we need to go for b is equal to m plus 1. If condition is true, we need to go for what? e is equal to m minus 1. Here we get the else statement. Because of that we go for b is equal to m plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we need to go for step 3. Beginning is equal to 7. ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ e is equal to 8 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. m is equal to 7 plus 8 divided by 2, that is 15 by 2. 7.5 will get the solution or position. In that time we need to consider as 7. a of 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 55. ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 55. both are equal. That's what at the position of 55 is located at the position called as a of 7. This is the final solution of given problem. Thank you. Next class we'll discuss next problem.